Hi guys. Now we look at मेरा क्या होगा. After CAT is over, the first thing which coming to everybody's mind कि मेरा क्या होगा. So there's 7 things that can happen to us, happen to you. So we look at all these things one by one. So pointer number one, obviously यार CAT सबका बेकार गया. You are not the only one. Everybody have fumbled in the CAT exam. So go to cetking.com/cat. I will upload the cutoff and cetking.com/IMS. I upload the cutoff so that we can check it out. Please wait for the result. That's my request to everyone. Result का wait करो. Most of you will get a better score than expected. I took a survey yesterday on my site and almost 60% people said their CAT exam went bad. 60 is a huge number. Yeah, 60% people saying CAT is bad. This means the cutoff will go down. तुम्हें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. Cutoff अपने आप नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, how you perform the exam? 7,145 votes as of now, out of which 62% people said bad. I think I'll try to post it here. I don't know if I can post it here. Let me try. If you can see. Yeah. 62% people said bad. Same as in mocks, 20%, 18% said better than mocks. Out of 7,100 votes. अच्छा यहाँ पे अलग दिखा रहा है, मेरे को कुछ और दिखा रहा था. Okay, so that's the kind of performance. Everyone have done bad, so don't need to worry about that. Okay, second poll was about how was the CAT paper. 69% said difficult than expectation out of 6,100 votes. So CAT have gone bad for everyone, so just don't lose any hopes. Wait for the result. Okay, result will come in January. Yeah, but the problem is we have to apply for the few colleges now. So see, number one, wait for the IIM calls open category. Anyone touching 95 percentile will get the IIM call. Anybody touching 80 percentile in reserved category, even up to 75, will get a call from new IIMs at least. Okay, number one. Number two, we have to apply for the non-IIMs colleges as well. Now, this is a time when all the colleges will start marketing their non-CAT exams. Non-IIMs will start marketing for applications. For that, you have to check out their cutoff. Again, cetking.com/cat. You can find the cutoff for all the non-IIMs as well. And then decide whether to apply or not based on your last 5 mock score. Fine. For example, Belinker have a cutoff of 80 percentile, but you have never crossed even 50 percentile in the mocks. Then why to apply for V school? Simple example. Yeah. Based on your mock score, you can apply. My advice to you people is very simple. Any colleges below 70 percentile is not worth it. Guys, there are colleges who are accepting non-zero score as well. Non-zero. Zero नहीं लेंगे हम. हमारी इज्जत है. हम 1 स्कोर पे आपको एडमिशन दे देंगे. जीरो नहीं हमारा है. हम लोग बहुत हाई फाई कॉलेज है. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर 2. Non-IIMs का एप्लीकेशन बाकी है. Now, what will happen now with the CAT exam? CAT is going to be in CAT happening now in November. The result will be declared in January. So we have a huge time between that. VAT call mid Jan will get the VAT PI calls. Non-IIM ka form is now December mid onwards. VAT PI will be in March, April, May. Final result and college joining will be in June. Okay, so that's the timeline for the CAT exam now. Next steps. For that, if you're expecting to complete this year, then GDPI preparation to start immediately. We're launching our program. The link is given in the description box for GDPI preparation. Goals in life, why MBA, achievements, introduction. These 7 topics, why this college, we have to mainly focus on. तो ये आप अभी से अपना तैयारी शुरू करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Next is a non-CAT exam. Point number 4 on my list is non-CAT exam. CET, SNAP, NMAT, IFT, ZAT. Those who score less than 70 percentile in CAT, please CAT को भूल जाओ. Let's focus on the other exams. Trust me, I can give millions of. I've done the recording as well. CAT 72 percentile, CET 99 percentile, CAT 50 percentile, SNAP 92 percentile. I can give many examples of people who have done very, very well in the non-CAT exam. ठीक है. तो cetking.com/snap you can check out the cutoff and breakup for all the exams. Now, how to prepare for IFT? Go to the link cetking.com/IFT. You can find the complete breakup. Okay, so we have to work on that. Next option is trying for CAT again. Yeah, there are 2 kind of students. One who can wait for IIMs again. College में हो, final year के बच्चे हो, yes, we can repeat. Otherwise, you can talk about the thing of the non-CAT exam and we can complete everything this year. Both the options are equally good. You decide. This will save 1 year. If you focus on non-CAT exam, we can save 1 year ka time. Okay, so what you can do, you can join our CAT ka books. So there are 20 books for CAT 22 and non-CAT exam, SNAP and MET, CMAT. So that's a package you can go for. Total 30 books you'll get for next year students. And for the non-CAT exam, I'm keeping the workshop this week, Saturday, 3rd December, I am in Nagpur. 4th December, I am in Pune. 5th December, I'll upload the timetable where I am. So please come and meet me and we can decide for the non-CAT exam, CET, SNAP and MET, kind of a Mera Kya Hoga workshop. Next is, if you're going to repeat, I want you to go for a job or some internship. खाली मत बैठो, because you can't sit empty. And CAT को लेके तुम जब मर्जी स्टार्ट कर लो यार, you will become serious only in August. So अभी से it's better to do some internship or job. अब प्लीज जहाँ पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है अप्लाई करना शुरू कर दो. Talk to your dad, all these things. Another good option is going abroad, but yes, all depend on which country you are going for. Fine. Don't go via agent, because agent will try to try to put you into some faltu college, this and that. Okay, so that's something you can think of. But going to Australia, Canada and US, these are 3 things I always recommend. All right, so these are 7 options we have. IIMS cutoff, let's wait for the CAT results. Apply for the non-CAT exam, GDPI prep, non-CAT, non-IIMS, non-CAT exam, CAT repeat, job CAT 22, sorry, CAT 22 repeat, job internship के साथ, and going abroad. Okay, so don't worry, this is one of the exams. This is not the end of the world. ठीक है, trust me, for most of you it was a good eye opener. अभी पूरी गेम बाकी है, non-CAT exam बाकी है, बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. Alright, all the best.